Have you ever felt like something or someone was lost to you forever, only for them to reappear when you least expected it? It can feel like a miracle, a second chance. Like God is giving you an opportunity to correct the course of your life. Now, what if I told you that this isn't just a coincidence or a random event? What if it was a divine intervention, a way for the universe to bring back what you thought was gone? When God decides to bring someone back into your life, it's often a sign. It's not just about reconnecting with a person, it's about the lessons you've learned, the growth you've experienced, and the strength you've gained during the time apart. This is a second chance, a gift that allows you to reshape the future with what you've gained from the past. You may have spent a long time wondering if you were ever going to get that opportunity to make things right. Maybe it felt like doors were closing, like you were stuck in one chapter of your life without any way out. But God's timing is never wrong, and what seems like an ending is often a new beginning waiting to unfold. The people, situations, and opportunities that leave your life may come back to teach you something important, something you couldn't have learned if you hadn't gone through that time apart. You might be questioning how this second chance could be possible. After all, time has passed, wounds may have been created, and words may have been left unspoken. But when something is meant to be, it has a way of finding its way back to you. God works in mysterious ways, and often, the people we think are gone from our lives are only temporarily out of our reach. Sometimes, it takes distance to truly understand the value of what you had or how much you've changed. This isn't about looking back with regret but rather looking forward with a new perspective. You're different now, and they are too. Time apart often allows both parties to heal, to grow, and to evolve in ways that wouldn't have been possible if you had stayed together. It's about learning the lessons, growing as individuals, and becoming better versions of yourselves. When the time is right, it's not about picking up where you left off, but rather starting fresh with a new understanding. Think of this as God's way of showing you that you've learned what you needed to and are now ready for the next chapter. It's a reminder that no experience is ever wasted. Every person who has crossed your path has played a role in shaping you into who you are today. And sometimes, God brings people back into your life to show you that you've completed the circle and are ready to move forward, together, or perhaps in a new direction. There's something powerful about receiving a second chance, especially when it feels like you've run out of opportunities. It's a message that no matter how many mistakes you've made or how far you've fallen, it's never too late to make things right. It's a sign of grace, of forgiveness, and of love that knows no boundaries. This second chance isn't just for the other person, it's for you too. It's an invitation to open your heart, to forgive, and to heal from the past. You might be wondering what you should do with this second chance. The first step is to recognize it for what it is. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Think of the opportunity to reconnect, but also be sure to approach it with the wisdom you've gained. You've learned valuable lessons along the way, and this time, you'll be able to make decisions with a clearer mind and a stronger heart. The key is to move forward with intention, understanding that both of you have changed and that the relationship must evolve too. It's also important to reflect on the reasons why things ended in the first place. A second chance doesn't mean ignoring the past, it means understanding it. The mistakes made, the miscommunications, and the heartache you experienced are all part of the journey. But they don't define you. Instead, they've prepared you for this moment, the moment where you can make things right, armed with the knowledge of what works and what doesn't. And, this second chance isn't just about a person coming back into your life, it's about you having the courage to step into something new with them. It's about rewriting the narrative, creating a story that's stronger, more resilient, and more meaningful. You've been given this opportunity because you are ready for it. It's easy to feel hesitant or uncertain when something unexpected happens, but trust that this moment was meant for you. Your faith, your perseverance, and your belief in the greater plan have all led you to this point. You've grown, you've learned, and now you're ready for the blessing that's unfolding. This is a divine gift, a second chance that not only brings someone back into your life but also brings clarity, peace, and the possibility of healing. This is a time for you to let go of any old fears or doubts that may have been holding you back. Don't let the past dictate how you move forward. Instead, use it as a foundation for building something new, something better, stronger, and more fulfilling. God has not forgotten about you, and the people who were meant to be in your life will always find their way back to you. The second chance you've been given is a beautiful reminder that you are never truly alone. Even in times of separation or struggle, there is always hope. God works in mysterious ways, and often, the very people we think we've lost are simply waiting for the right moment to return. When that moment comes, think of it with an open heart, knowing that this is your time to heal, grow, and move forward with love and understanding. What this second chance really offers is an opportunity for you to step into a new version of yourself. One that is wiser, more compassionate, and more aware of what truly matters. You've faced the challenges, and now you stand ready to receive what was always meant for you. When God brings someone back into your life, it's not just for them, it's for you too. It's a reminder that you are worthy of love, forgiveness, and growth. When you are given a second chance, it's a reflection of God's mercy, and it's an invitation to trust in His plan. Sometimes, life struggles can cloud your judgment, leading you to believe that things are lost forever. But every setback is often just a setup for something greater. The moment you open your heart to this new beginning, you unlock the potential for growth and understanding. This second chance is not only a gift to you but also to the person returning to your life. Both of you have grown, evolved, and learned in the time apart. Now is the time to use that wisdom to build something more meaningful and lasting. God's intervention doesn't just happen out of nowhere, it's part of a divine design. The people who return to your life are not coincidences, they are part of your journey. They might have left for a reason, but their return signifies that it's the right time to reconcile, rebuild, or heal. No situation is too far gone to be fixed, and no relationship is too broken to be mended. The second chance you are receiving is a divine nudge to realign with your true purpose and the people meant to walk with you along the way. But with this second chance comes responsibility. It's not about simply picking up where you left off. It's about evolving together with the lessons that time apart has taught you. Both of you have changed, and now you have an opportunity to create something stronger and more enduring. Don't go back to the same patterns or mistakes that led to separation in the first place. Use this opportunity wisely to build something based on mutual growth, trust, and understanding. God's timing is perfect, and when He brings someone back into your life, it's often to teach you something important. Perhaps you've learned patience, or maybe you've come to appreciate the value of self-love and boundaries. Whatever the lesson may be, it's important to carry that wisdom with you as you move forward. When the time is right, you will understand why this second chance is happening. It's not just about a reunion. It's about the transformation that will take place when two souls, who have evolved, come together again. So, take this second chance as the gift it is. Approach it with gratitude, with an open heart, and with the wisdom that only time and experience can bring. The person you thought was gone may very well be the one who is meant to walk beside you as you step into this new chapter of your life.